Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel once again, and this is Biker Baba Mushai, and today I'll be unboxing one more ASG device, that is ASG SG06. And first of all, let me thank the ASG people for sending me the box, and I hope you enjoy the unboxing. Shekhar, box diya? So here is the box, and this is a very nice packing. The best thing about the packing I like this time, this thing I like about is that they've mentioned my name specifically on the box, and it's written over here that it's ASG SG6 1 unit into, and the billing is also over here. They send it through the professional couriers. They send it from Bombay. So let's start the unboxing. The most required tool for unboxing, and I am not going to throw away this bill or invoice or the parchment, whatever you say, because I loved it the way they have sent it, and I'm going to keep it forever because this is my and yes, here it is. Unboxing is happening. Nicely bubble wrapped so that you don't need this, but yes, I do need the parchment. Nicely bubble wrapped all the way so that your box doesn't get damaged or nothing happens to the device. And let's remove the bubble wrapping first. Yes. So the style of packing is really nice. I have loved it whenever I have ordered it. So everyone loves this. Most satisfying thing. So this comes with a warranty card that is of 6 months and some nice stickers. They have changed the styling of the sticker as well because I don't know, maybe for some reason, but the sticker styling is really good now and it requires less space. Knife not required. Back to safety. Wow. So I really like the packing of the box this time, and it's clearly mentioned SG06 with voice intercom integration support, Siri and Google now. This is very nice. This is their latest device. These are the features that they have put it on the back: up to 2 riders, conference intercom up to 1000 meters, answer call, listen to music, you can do whatever you want. And yes, the most important thing is their warning, which they have given over here. Please ensure local law and regulations before using the headset because it is very much required. In some places they actually don't. Even if you see, I'll leave a link in the description below. The police caught me asking why I was wearing the Bluetooth device. Yeah, so the price of this device currently running on their website is for 4,000. It's mentioned over here, 3,999 rupees, and it's packed in January. Yes, they went on sale a little late, but it was nice. So let's open it up. Yep. And do we have this push system that we had previously? So let me remove all these stuff from here. These stickers will be very useful when I'll be putting it on the helmet, maybe somewhere on my laptop. So this time the box is very neat and clean. Last time they had, for SJ5 they had a box which used to slide, but this time they have a cell phone, like the way you unbox a cell phone like this. So I'm going to have a really difficult time opening this because it's very hard and it's not opening. But shake it a little bit, give it a wiggle, and then you can slightly pull it up. Woohoo! This is treat to the eyes. So they have changed the packaging as well a little bit, and yes, the device is looking superb. In the SJ5, this used to come in a black thermocol, which was really nice, but this is coming in white, so the device is distinctive and you can absolutely see as to how the device looks. So no wonders, this device looks really nice. It's very light, in fact, I don't feel much of a weight, and I'm yet to see how it works in the functionality. This is the charging port where you can charge the device, or maybe this is where you can connect. And one of the thing is that it comes with these two bolts where the main plug-in device will go. So let's see what do we have over here. Comes with a user manual as well for the Bluetooth and the intercom, how you need to connect. So this is the packaging list. What all do you get in the package? So one is the host. Okay, so इस device को ये लोग host बुला रहे हैं. ये host है आपका, फिर user manual, एक आपका आता है microphone and earpiece, then headset clip. This is the velcro inside the helmet and screwdriver. That is the Allen key that you will need to lock and unlock this device. Second thing which comes in the packaging is your, yes, as mentioned, this is the charger. This is a wall charger, I think, that you need to charge your device with. These are the velcro stickers along with the speakers. These speakers seem to be fine. I will have to use it. The best thing they have done this time is they have put this leather lining slightly to the corner of this, and this is going to protect the speaker from your helmet sides. हेलमेट के साइड से बचाएगा, एंड अच्छा चीज़ है ये, बहुत ही अच्छा करा है. लुक एंड फील इज़ वेरी गुड, प्रीमियम क्वालिटी, एंड माइक भी है. माइक के साथ वेलक्रो. इस बार इन्होंने अलग से वेलक्रो एंड स्टफ़ नहीं दिया है, बट इसमें ही चिपका हुआ है. सो ये रहा आपका वेलक्रो इसके साथ है, एंड इसके साथ भी एक वेलक्रो का दिया हुआ है. ये आप माइक के, अगर आपके हेलमेट में कुछ ऐसा नहीं है जिसमें आप चिपका सकते हो, तो यू कैन यूज़ दिस वेलक्रो टू पुट दिस इनसाइड योर हेलमेट, एंड ये चिपक जाएगा. दिस इज़ वेरी रोबस्ट. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग द SG5, एंड ये बहुत ही फ्लेक्सिबल है. आप कहीं भी इसको प्लेस कर सकते हो, एंड इट विल लास्ट रियली लॉन्ग. द स्पॉन्ज क्वालिटी सीम्स ओके. एज यू कैन सी इट हैज स्मज्ड अ लिटिल बिट, बट या इट सीम्स ओके. It is not that, because maybe packing की वजह से ऐसा हुआ होगा. So if you have faced any issues, let me know in the comment box. And this is the charger that we get, travel adapter. I am yet to see how long will this device actually last. मैं पहली बार अनबॉक्स ही कर रहा हूँ, so मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा. And इसके साथ मिलता है और एक चीज़, ये है आपका Allen key, and this is the clamp which will go. So let me open all these things. What are these? So ये दो स्क्रू आते हैं और ये क्लैम्प है. तो आई थिंक ये क्लैम्प आपको परमानेंटली हेलमेट में फिक्सेट करना पड़ेगा, or some one way or the other. So this is going to go like this, somewhat like this. So this is going to go inside one side of your helmet. This is going to remain outside your helmet, and yeah, this is going to fix. You need a Allen key. So this is going to be a permanent fixture. You can't just open it on the go and कभी भी मन किया तो खोल लिया या लगा लिया. इसको आपको लगाने में थोड़ी सी मुशक्क़त होगी, but yeah, this device is really nice. I know I'm yet to test, but I'm sure this device is going to be great. So this device is currently not waterproof, and they have a lot of instructions over here. This is 450 mAh battery. Working duration is 15 hours. I don't know how are they saying 15 hours, but yeah, I'm yet to test. There are a lot of parameters, instructions. They have also given the instructions how you can mount the device. Warranty card is there already. So I think you can fill this up and maybe you can mail it to them. Mail करके आप उनको बोल सकते हो कि ये वारंटी कार्ड को वो लोग इशू करें. But I think the ASG people are really nice. They are simply going to help you in whatever means required. आप उनको just ये number जो है, you can contact them on Instagram or on their website. They are going to help you out. I think this device is, but yeah, the build quality seems good. Buttons are clicky and nice. And there is a good pair of instructions, functional operations, and hardware reset, factory reset, button summary, and also common faults and handling approaches. This is going to come out very handy. take a screenshot if you guys want to, but yes, I will take you through this as well. And the best thing is they've given a note, a special note. Thank you for using the BT Smart Helmet headset. And the parameters are given here. There's also given a note for better signal and everything. So I really love this device. I will see and test and check this device, how it functions. Thank you so much guys for watching the video, and stay subscribed to the channel, and surely please leave a like. It helps us a lot, any of the creators. And if you want me to review anything special or you want me to discuss anything special, let me know कि क्या कर सकता हूँ, किस तरीके से कर सकता हूँ, how do I improve. Meanwhile, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Next time, see you guys. Bye bye. Take care and ride safe.